want to switch all my stuff that is in my Kurt Geiger inside my Coach purse. We switching from this purse to this Coach purse. Hey you guys, it's me, Diva TT, and I am back with another video, you guys. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, you guys. Join me, Tiffany, and the family. I want to switch all my stuff that is in my Kurt Geiger inside my Coach purse. We switching from this purse to this Coach purse. My Coach purse, it has a black strap on it. Very, very cute. It has the handles right here, so I can carry it from here. And it also has a zipper. Oh my god, it has a zipper, guys. It has a zipper. It has a lot of space inside, as you can see. I just love this denim purse. I am going to insert a clip of me getting it for my birthday. And it has a pocket right here that has a clip. This is on the side of the zipper. On both sides it has two pockets. Okay, so I want to switch all my stuff that is in my Kurt Geiger inside my Coach purse. Okay, I wasn't trying to make this video too long, but I did want to show you. This is the back. It's a patchwork denim purse. So this is how it looks, and I am going to be using this strap. But anyway, I'm just going to take my things out of this purse and put them inside of this purse, because it is time to switch purses. Like, I usually wear my purses for quite a long time, but I have so many purses. I'm like, I need to give each purse equal amount of time and wear. Okay, so I just have a bunch of lip gloss that's in my purse right now. I have a whole side of lip gloss in my purse. Like, gee whiz. Like, I'm never gonna be without lip gloss. Like, all of this lip gloss in my purse. I need to get a brand new makeup bag, because this is too much, and I'm doing too much trying to hold on to all this stuff. But this purse was fun all summer, so I'll probably pull it out next summer. All this, I got tampons. Girl, us ladies, we always have to stay ready. Tampons in here, lipstick, earrings, a little bit of everything. Like my purse, oh, there goes my lip liner. Lord have mercy, I thought I lost it. It's right here. Is this my chestnut? This is my chestnut lip liner. Thank you, Jesus. I found it, because I was like, oh my god, I lost my chestnut lip liner. So a bunch of lip gloss that I need to put inside. Oh, I got some loose change. We need change, even though everything is like, they don't even want to take change anymore. So I don't know, I guess it's like a what's in my bag type of video, even though this is kind of messy. But anyway, I cleaned out one side of this Kurt Geiger purse. I found doctor's cards. I have more lip gloss. I got $5 and a bunch of lip gloss. I need to go get my wallet, guys. I don't have a matching wallet to go with this purse, but however, I do have my Louis Vuitton wallet. What is all this stuff? I'm gonna have to really clean out my purse. I got movie tickets, loose change, a nail. Oh my god, it's a nail in my purse. Like, what the hell? I must have just broke my nail and put it in my purse. Like, no, absolutely not. So anyway, we switching from this purse. I think I got this purse empty. Whatever else is in here can stay, because it's gone now. Okay, so we switching from this purse to this Coach purse. I want y'all to see the front. We switching from this purse to this purse, and I love it, guys. They both cute purses. One is Kurt Geiger, one is Coach. And I never had a cloth Coach purse. My go-to is usually leather purses from Coach, but this one is super, super cute, and I think it's perfect for fall and winter. So this purse is gonna get me through fall and winter, or however long I decide to wear them. But I got this in June for my birthday, and I'm like, it cannot just keep sitting up. Like, it's so cute. I want to wear it, and it's casual, can go with anything. And like I said, it's perfect for fall and winter. So this is my purse. When I'm getting ready to go, I'm gonna be grabbing my purse, and I'm getting the heck out of wherever I'm going because I have my purse. Okay. Okay, so yes, this was a quick video, and I am going to insert when I got this for my birthday. I showed you guys this already, so yes, I just love my bag. I need to take the tags off because we are officially wearing this purse. I don't have no scissors. I'm trying to break through with my nails.
You want no scissors?
I got it. So yes, this bag is officially in use. I took the tags off. I took the guts out of this. And you know I'm going to fill this purse up because it's way too much space in here. Even with all the stuff I have in here, all my junk. So guys, I'm not going to make this too long. I just want to show you guys this cute purse. I love purses. So of course I'm going to add purses to my channel. I love it, okay? Alright guys. I guess I can show y'all how it looks on me. I'm gonna back up from the camera and show you guys how this purse looks on me, how I'm gonna be rocking it, okay? Alright guys, I found my Louis Vuitton wallet. It's a zip up wallet. I love these because all my stuff just stays in, and we're gonna throw that in the purse. My granny bought me this Louis Vuitton wallet, and since I don't have a matching wallet to go with this purse, it's going in the side of my Coach purse. And I love this purse because look, it goes crossbody comfortably. This is how the purse looks on crossbody. It's very, very cute and stylish. And this is going to be my winter fall purse. Unless I come across a cute furry purse, that's definitely winter and fall season.
My furry purse is here.
You gonna let me wear it?
No.
Mine's in the closet.
Well then, you got yours.
This is my Coach bag. Okay guys, and this is the back. My Patchwork Coach. It's like the cloth kind, but it's so cute. And then I can wear it like this as well. Real, real cute. And it zips. Okay guys, bye. I have a birthday gift.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. And it say Nordstrom's.
Oh, yeah.
Boy. It say Nordstrom's.
Have you been a good girl to go get them from Nordstrom's?
Probably not.
No.
I'm never a good girl.
Well, that's true.
And I just do what I want to do.
That's true.
This is very true. I couldn't have said it any better myself.
Ain't that the truth?
And I'm unruly. I'm a Gemini. Woo. I got a good heart, but
They know all about you.
I'm a little cray.
Cray.
So this is my box. Let's see what this could be.
I don't know what it is.
Shake.
Hope you like, girl, just open it.
Shake, rattling, roll.
Open it.
Shake, rattling, roll. Remember that
Shaking
song?
the box instead of
Shake,
opening it.
rattling,
Because you're supposed to shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
Girl. Can you see? Can they see you?
They can see me.
Okay.
Ooh.
Woo.
Okay, guys.
Hope you like it.
Uh-oh. Look.
What is it?
I don't know. Oh, what? A coach. Oh.
So
Look how cute. It's denim.
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
Oh, nice.
Oh, it's so cute. It's a denim patchwork purse. Okay, I'm about to put my stuff into this. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
It's so cute. Thank
Open
you.
it up and see if it's got what it's got. It's got a compartments and nice place. It's not, we don't do small purses, so.
Well, this is a medium. I like
have
it.
to have something big
oh
enough
my
to
God,
put some
it's
stuff.
different. Oh, this is new. This is their new stuff. This gotta be, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh boy. It got a strap.
Mm-hmm.
It got a strap. Let me put that on. Because I might be transferring my stuff. I got so many purses. I love all the purses. Oh, I got a purse bag to protect it. A purse bag, y'all.
The little satchel.
A little purse bag to protect my coach.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. I love it. It's so
like
cute.
it?
Oh, I got multiple coach bags.
That's for your belt.
My what?
That's for your strap. If you want to put. You feel me, Grady?
Yeah.
Is there anything in the stuffing?
No.
Oh, it's just, bless me, a birthday sneeze. Felt good.
Right in my face.
I'm sorry. I didn't
I
cover
hope
a
you like
mouth.
it.
I do like it. I do. Look it, guys. Oh my goodness. This is so
Let me
cute.
see. Let me see the inside.
The inside, you want to see how big? It's pretty big. A lot of
Oh,
space.
Yeah, you got a lot of good space.
Oh my gosh. And it has the leather emblem inside that says Coach. Yes.
It's real.
I never had a purse like this, but I love it.
Okay.
What is all that? That's just a silica.
Girl, there ain't nothing there. She keep looking for some extra, y'all. Did you say nothing?
So where do I put all the, where my straps
I don't know
go?
where the straps
I'm
go,
ready to
girl.
put my stuff in this now. This is so cute. Mom, you like it? I needed this for the Cowboy Carter tour. And I would have been cute matching my jean outfit that you had got me. It was so cute. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Happy birthday
I don't know where
to
you
me.
looking at. I don't know.
Look at the writing, y'all. It's so cute. Thank you for my beautiful purse.
You'll have to figure that.
Is it on the inside?
I don't know. I can't figure out where to put the
Sometimes
strap.
they put them on the inside.
Oh, right here.
It's oh, there it is.
There's one. So then there have to be another one.
On this side.
Right here.
Okay, we found where to put the strap, girl, because this is going on.
Okay.
This is so cute, Mom and Lori. This is so cute.
Oh boy.
And I can wear a crossbody. This
can.
This is adjustable.
Let me go get mine out.
Get your what?
I got a patch purse too.
You do?
Yeah, I want.
Well, where you didn't buy me one too?
Honey, mine ain't new.
Oh.
That's cute, isn't
This is cute. I'm wearing this. Oh.
Well,
Denim,
I hope you like it.
Like Beyonce say, denim on denim on denim on denim. Okay.
That's right.
Where my balloons? Y'all get my balloons.
Your balloons?
My balloons.
Sorry.
My balloons. Because it's my birthday. It's my birthday.
It's your birthday.
These are my birthday balloons.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. In my favorite colors of purple. And then I gotta show y'all my cake. Okay? These are my balloons, guys. I loved it. I had to share this gift with y'all. So cute.
That's it.
Well, you said you haven't had a coach in a minute, so there you.
Ah!
That was a good gift.
Of course, it's beautiful. Thank y'all. So, hold it back a little. Ah! Ah!
Baby stink.
Y'all, well, this is a beautiful gift.
Well, happy birthday.
Thank you. I still wearing the purse.
And your birthday goes all summer. It's not over.
Okay.
You know, Gemini season is still Gemini.
Yes, and
So is Aries.
mommy, come on now. Y'all been gone.
No, we
The Aries.
talking about?
Y'all been out of here.
It's still the season, baby.
Uh-oh, okay.
Mhm.
Well, I hope you like it.
It's beautiful.
Okay.
You see, it's on me. I'm about to transfer my stuff right now.
I
for
heard
real?
that. That's right. That's right.
Aw.
Yes.
I'm going.
Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. Peace.